In this video, let us understand how to download and work with car parking system project. So it's a free download, so you can always download. We provide a link. After download, how to work. So this is a PHP MySQL project. I'll demonstrate and show you once again how you can work with that. So this is a car parking. The complete explanation is available in other video. This is a previous video. This is the link. Even the link is available in the description. So you want to know like how the whole project works, you have to go to this video and then you have to watch. Now in this video, let us download this project from this location and we see that how to download and what are the prerequisites and how to work with that. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Also you can like the video, click like button, and also you can write in the comments what you're thinking or if you have any difficulties. So let me know what you're thinking. Now let's start download and then let's work with this particular project. So here you can see that this is iBlix tutorials, and if you click on videos, you can see all the videos. We have a very huge number of project related videos. And if you'd like to do a project as per your curriculum, like if you are doing any course and you need to do a project, please check out the videos. Therefore you'll get a complete idea how each project will work. So therefore based on that you can choose the best project for your requirement. Also if you're looking for a job and you need an experience, try any of these projects. So therefore you'll get a hand-in experience. That is what very important. Now let's see that this is the video which is completely explained how to work with this particular project. And in the description, so if you go to show more and then you can see in the description, the link is provided to download the project. So this is iblix.com/download. So if you click this, so it will take to our website. So here is the project car parking. Apart from this, we have other projects also. In case if you're looking for some other projects which is not listed as a free here, you can also get from us. And if you want a totally different project also, then you can communicate with us. We'll help you on this. Right, now let's see that how you can download this. So to download this, now presently the link is here. Maybe in the future it may changes, but definitely there will be a link over here to this project. You click here. So now you can see that it is downloaded here. Then if you go to show in folder, so you'll have this particular project. Now right click and then go to 7-zip and extract here. So 7-zip is a zip software, that is a free software, and even it's open source. You can download it in case you don't have. And once you extract, you can see that you'll get 3 files. One is the tables. So these are the tables. All the table structure is provided over here. And this is the project synopsis. So you can modify the synopsis as per your requirement. That is a synopsis. And the next one is this is the project. Right. So you need to copy this car parking and then you have to go to C drive, and where you install the XAMPP, okay, it's in C drive, you need to go to C drive. If it's in D drive, you have to go to D drive. So you can find the XAMPP folder. So in the XAMPP folder, you can find one HT docs. So where you have HT docs, you need to, in HT docs, you have to paste this. So now you can see that we can paste this in a HT docs. So here you can see car parking, okay. So now if you double click here, so you can see all the files here. So these are the files, okay. Now let's see that how to work with that. So in order to work with that, so first you need to start the XAMPP server. You don't know like how to start the XAMPP server, there is a separate video for that. So please watch that video. So in that video we already explained like how to work with the XAMPP server. Okay, how to install XAMPP. So here is the link. So please use this link and then you can watch this video. Therefore you can able to install the XAMPP. So also like how to run a PHP project, complete explanation is available in this video. So you can watch this video, so therefore you'll get a complete idea how to run a PHP project. Fine. So now you go to start and then select XAMPP. So you can see the XAMPP control panel. Now you have to start the Apache server. And see to it like it turn green color means it's running. Then MySQL, you need to start the MySQL. So now both are running. Now you can go back to the browser. Fine. So here if you type localhost, so you'll come to this and you have to go to phpMyAdmin. So in phpMyAdmin, you need to create the database. So in order to create the database, go to SQL and you can check your this file, so text file. Now what I'll do is I'll just say car park. Okay, it's a car park 1 data. Fine. So here is already there. Okay, so we already created it, and you need to copy and paste here. Okay, you have to go to SQL and you have to copy and paste here. So then you have to click the go button. You're going to create all these tables. Once all the tables are over, again you can go to localhost/car parking. There is a folder name. If you click enter, so it will come to this place. And if you say get into site, you go to these 3 options. Okay, this option is not there, so therefore you need to remove that. So here you can able to edit all the pages. Therefore I can go to Notepad++. See there. Okay, so this we can take it out. Done. So now we go to admin login and then type admin, then admin. Submit. So it will works. For rest of the things, you please watch the other video. So in that we already explained like how to work with this. So this is the video. So in this video, the complete explanation of the project is available. Please try that. So apart from this, if you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having. Thank you.